honey butter, perfect for each other. You could be my lover, you're my buzz buzz. You're my honey butter, perfect for each other. You could be my lover, you could be my...
Hi guys, welcome to another video. Nasa kwarto ako ngayon kasi nasa labas sila lahat at maingay kasi tinanon yung TV. So, in this video, nag-vlog lang ako throughout the week. First nangyari is, nag-try kami ng mga kaibigan ko mag-record ng kanta para sa kaibigan kong isa din. But, it turns out, walang nangyari kasi sira yung microphone. Makikita niyan sa first clips. And then, next time na nag-vlog ako is currently today. Kakatapos ko lang mag-record din. So, nag-record lang ako ng teaser ng upcoming na kanta kong, na-feature ako. Shoutout to NBD, No Bad Days Collective. Sila yung nag-feature ko. Tawag dito. Make sure to stream Honey Butter, produced by me, artist from NBD Collective. So, talented mga tao yun. Supportahan niyo sila. Yeah. Like, share, subscribe. Don't ever forget that. Salamat sa suporta. Enjoy the video. Alright? Yo, you guys ready for... I'm speaking my language, bro. You better hear some Japanese. Remember? Oh no, Chinese. Yo. Alright, so nandito kami sa basement ng... kaibigan ko. Tweaking. But yeah, I thought we were gonna record again.
You have your laptop?
Yeah, I got it right there. Of course, I got that. I got the mic set up right up
Do
there.
it again. Fucking a friend. Yo, what's good, y'all? This is Chico J. Sorry, I'm kind of full right now. Hold on.
Oof, yeah, bro. Lord.
Alright.
Get a mic, simple setup. No, I mean, can't see.
Alright, let's get Rico in the book.
Hey, 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 yeah, hey, Geeking, bro. Alright, I'm gonna set up my laptop. Kasi mag-record na kami. Kanta ng kaibigan ko.
Coming back. Pull up in the booth. In the booth. In the booth. Cooking and whipping and whipping. Tripping and killing it. About to clear up the first single coming out. I'm not gonna tell y'all the name yet.
It's called Again. Y'all already heard it. Y'all heard the song 1,000 times.
No one else has heard the song.
We played it on the Snapchat, so I hope y'all remember it. Y'all heard it.
With your dog and shit.
Oh, need some bread too. What the fuck?
I tucked one out of that. Nigga slapped the bread.
Alright.
How you slap the bread?
Cause I ain't see that. It came so fat. Pause. I was like,
Oh, whoa, yo, chill, bro.
say it quickly.
Nah,
Say something, bro.
nah. Alright, guys. So the mic didn't work. It's currently 2:42 na ng umaga, and then kaibigan ko may trabaho. Like 10 a.m. bruh. So, if I take this down, studio time was a fail. So, when are we gonna do this again, bruh? January, bruh. You're gonna get this. January. So, bibigay ko sa kanila yung mic sa January kasi alis naman ako. So, wala nangyari ngayon, but babawi ko sa inyo bukas, pagising ko ng umaga. So, baka gawa ulit ako ng beat or tuturuan ko kayo ng something. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Hey, what's up guys? It's currently Friday, 9:11 a.m. But it's been 4 days na since nakita niyo yung last clip. So, nag-post ako like a week, like days ago na tatawagan ko yung mga, may tatawagan akong 5 fans na, if they have the chance to get to know me better or something, like, if they have questions about me, Pero, since yung isa sa 5, sumagot naman, pero di na pwedeng magsalita kasi it's currently 10 p.m. na sa Pilipinas, tapos tulog na daw yung tao sa bahay niya. So, I don't know what's gonna happen, but shoutout sa 5 tao nito, si Cindy Fabalia, si James Andrew Esparcia, haba na pangalan, but si James Kevin Mello Rage Music, at saka si Earl Shane F. Andy. Mga taon to is yung swerteng 5 tao na dapat tatawagan ko sana, pero 4 of them didn't answer and 1 is not currently available to talk. Pero we're just gonna talk about, wait, dito na si Rage Music Sana yung magre-reply. Typing na Kita nyo? Yes, kita nyo? I don't know. Let's wait. Pero tatawan ko yung isang kaibigan kong si Gerald, aka Kalmado. Ito yung kaibigan ko sa Pilipinas. Sinesendan ko din ng beats. Gusto nang diyang sumali sa video. Cloud chaser to So, ito yung mga ginagawa ng mga cloud chaser sa Pilipinas Psych na. But yeah, tatawan ko si Gerald pag walang mangyayari dito. Ay, nasa work pa daw siya. Pag uwi na lang daw ni Rage Music siya tatawag. Magme-message sa akin and then I'm just gonna call him pagkatapos. Kasi nasa trabaho pa siya ngayon. But, okay. That's it. And we're gonna call Gerald na ngayon. Di sumusagot yung gago. What the fuck, bro? Ay, pag walang sasagot, I don't know what's gonna happen. Ito sana yung content ko Pero, I don't know what's happening. Walang sumasagot. Tinatawagan ko na si Gerald ngayon. King inang yan no? Ang malas siya, no? Hindi sumasagot. Ay, I'm just gonna wait for, yung si Rage Music na maging libre para matawagan ko siya. What's up, mga hampas lupa? Si Gerald, tsaka yung 5 tao, walang nangyari. Wala. Pero, ito yung ginawa ko. Making more, making love for hours. Call it sex marathon, yeah. Hola, como te llama? Saan ka ba punta? Saan ka ba galing? Yeah, gusto kitang makilala. Ako naman ay binata. To es mi cosita. Huwag mahiya, dito bumisita. Pero alam kong di ka mahiyain. Nung pumasok ka sa kwarto, kayo nagsla sa akin. Mahimahiyain. Corazon, lugar en mi corazon. Shit, lit, bro. Fucking lit. Well, yan lang muna yung video. Vlog was a fail. Wala nangyari sa studio nung Monday tsaka today. Yung plano ko sana, tawagan ko sana yung mga tao. Wala nangyari. Babawi ako ulit. Maybe next week ulit I'm post sa Facebook or Instagram na like what I said, tawagan ko kayo, mga fans ko. So, punta kayo na sa Facebook or Instagram or Twitter. Like nyo, follow, and shit. Cause I'm a post. So, see you guys in the next one. Hope you like this video. Sana wala kayong natutunan. Kasi wala nang kasi vlog lang to. So, that's gonna be it. Peace. Flex fam. I'm out, bro.